This is our second location. We just set everything up. Now someone decided they would cut down a tree. Okay, location 3 seems to be working. There's a little bit of tapping in the corner, but we're gonna go for it anyway. People don't respect the studio. Welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. Every single week, we're gonna cook it my way. Recipes are free, you know I keep it hot. So grab that pen and paper, let me show you what I got. What I got, a little bit of protein to keep you looking hot. Quinoa, beans on the spot, hemp hearts, sprinkle it on top. Woo! What's up everybody, welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. Today we're doing a monster protein salad. This thing has a lot of protein grams. We haven't actually added it up yet, but we're gonna, and you're gonna be like, whoa, that's a lot of protein. For example, quinoa, shit ton of protein. Chickpeas, holy smokes protein. Tofu and hemp hearts have a lot of protein. So let's just jump into that. Let's just jump right into it. All right, the base of this salad is gonna be, boom, Popeye's in the spinach game. Did you know that Popeye makes spinach? I wonder what this company paid to use Popeye on their logo.
Spinach has protein, we didn't even write that on the list.
Spinach has protein too. Quinoa is also the base, boom. I just cooked that down. Chickpeas just from a can, and tofu. So let me quickly just show you what I did here for the tofu. This is Szechuan tofu. There used to be more, but Beck and I have been nibbling and chibbling at it. So all I did is heated up a skillet or a pan, tossed the cubes in there, cooked it down on a high heat, added some Szechuan sauce, and just let that rip. And holy smokes. I could do this. For the chickpeas, I'm gonna add a little bit of zest to it. And I'm actually gonna just saute those, get them brown. So a little bit of oil. 1 cup of chickpeas has 10 grams of protein. So we're gonna dump that right into our pan. A little bit of cumin. 1/4 tablespoon. Tumeric, same thing, 1/4 tablespoon. Garlic, 1/2 tablespoon. Don't really like garlic. Black pepper, 8-second hold.
I just wanted to show your hips there.
Just brown that out a little bit. See where your flavor's at, give it a taste. Whatever veggies you want, you can throw in there. I've got tomato, pepper, avocado, cucumber, broccoli, high in protein. Hey scientist, what's the protein amount?
It's just under 3 grams for every 100 grams.
Who made those? I think they're done. I'm just gonna kill them. Okay, now let's talk sauce. I got it. Okay, I like my, up here, babe.
Oh.
I like my dressings extra acidic lemony, so I'm gonna add a full lemon. And now if you notice, vanlife hack here, always build your dressings in a Tupperware container so you don't need to wash things twice. You like that, Beck?
That's freaking genius.
Thank you. So that's 1 lemon, medium size. What do you call that, babe?
Heaping tablespoon? Overflowing tablespoon? 2 tablespoons.
Yeah, something like that. You guys saw that. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that into the lemon. We're gonna add a quick tablespoon of the God's Nectar here in Canada. Maple syrup. Boop. Don't make it too sweet. The nice part about dressings, guys, is as you become better at making them, you will simply test them and discover the 3 pillars. Sweet, salty, and acidic. Wow, that sounded good. Did that sound good? Yeah. That sounded really good, and I think that's true. Like, you'll just get a vibe for like, oh, it needs more lemon. Oh, it needs more vinegar. Oh, it needs more sweetness. Oh, it needs more salt. And you'll just get good at it, and then you can just become a dressing master. Okay. A little bit too much of God's Nectar. Definitely put him away. A little too sweet for my liking. I'm gonna add a little salt. I think it needs a little bit more lemon, so I'm just gonna throw another, not quite half. See what I did there? I love like fresh tasting dressings, and like lemon or lime really helps give it that flavor. Yup. That's the hit. That's what you're looking for. Wow, this is such a quick Freestyle Friday. Now all we do, put it together. We're gonna start with the spinach. We're gonna throw that right in the bottom. That's like a nice, generous handful. Boom. We're gonna do a little bed of quinoa. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 tablespoons. No, it wasn't, it's 4. Okay, over here, I'm gonna throw in orange pepper, cherry tomatoes. raw broccoli, some cucumber, avocado, our grilled chickpeas, and some of that Szechuan tofu. Doesn't that look insane? Last but not least, I'm gonna dress it. We're gonna do a generous pinch of hemp seeds. Now, given I prep things ahead of time, obviously makes a big difference, but if you are looking at something like this, as far as meal prep before work, what I would recommend is, like I did, do a big batch of quinoa, even cut up all the broccoli, that's gonna stay fresh. I wouldn't do the tomatoes, maybe not the peppers, but those things you can cut quickly. Big thing of tofu, that way you can just scoop, 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 scoop. The dressing will stay good for at least a week. Hit it with the dressing, and then boom, you've got a delicious Buddha bowl. Delicious high protein Buddha bowl. Beck thought it'd be a cool idea if we sat on the side here and ate my Buddha bowl. So I'm gonna take a bite, I'm gonna try and get a little bit of everything. Wow! Here's what I have to say. First things first, the dressing is a little sweeter than I was originally going for, but it works because Szechuan, car drove by. Szechuan tofu has got heat. The chickpeas that I did with cumin and turmeric have their own little flavor going on. And then everything else just pairs so well together. Highly encourage you to try this one. If you liked it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. If you want to see more lunch ideas, leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel every single Friday. New vids here coming at you. Holy smokes, I'm starving. I'm gonna sit here and smash this. Stay hungry, friends.